Hello everyone, this is Manpreet from Acme Visa Solutions and I'm here to provide you another update from BCPNP. So BCPNP is going to make new changes towards their program which will be implemented near about January 2025. So they are replacing their international graduate and international postgraduate streams with another three streams, Bachelors, Masters and Doctorate stream. So in order to be eligible for these streams, so let's say for Bachelor's stream, you need to be a graduate from a post-secondary institution from Canada and have an intermediate job offer. And in order to be eligible for the master's stream, you need to be a graduate from a post-secondary institution in Canada in any of the master's program in any field, and you must have a minimum of 1 year of full-time job offer in order to apply. And for the doctorate stream, you can be a graduate or a PhD holder and you can directly apply under this stream. So diploma and certificate holders will not be eligible under these streams, but they will still be eligible for the other streams in the BCPNP. So also the language requirements in order to apply under these streams will be changed, and they are expecting to make it a minimum CLB 8 which is planned by BCPNP. Also BCPNP is still going to issue targeted invitation draws into the health sector, construction and early childhood education. So if you're one of them, you can contact Acme Visa Solutions. We can assess your profile and apply today. Thank you so much.